What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Thursday, November 18th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, today we're doing the show from the stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange. That is because we have a pretty sideways day. Well, the stock market did all right. The Dow Jones is down a little bit. NASDAQ did really good today. S&P is up, but crypto got wrecked. So, yeah, overall, pretty mixed day. So that's why we're doing the show from the stock exchange. It beats Ramenistan. So, got a great show for you guys today. We got a lot to cover. So, gonna try to get through everything very quickly, but we have a lot of content to cover. And, of course, never fails. As soon as the show starts, we have sirens. So, my apologies. Going to talk over it. But, yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we have two articles. One about this new crypto tax law. It was in the infrastructure bill. They were real sneaky. They snuck it in there. But, the politicians are trying to tax crypto. And then we have an article about DWAC, the Trump SPAC. I got a developing story about that. And today for the analysis, we'll be going over PROG, LCID, so PROG, LCID, Lucid, NVDA Nvidia. That was a major runner today. Big story. That at earnings. CEI, RIVN, Rivian. So we've been covering PROG, Lucid, CEI, and Rivian the past 2 days. Again, they're all trending on StockTwits, so we'll get to all of that. And then we'll get to Alibaba. That also had earnings today. So, yeah, a lot to get to. We have 6 different stocks to analyze. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. So, yeah, today is probably going to be a little longer show because there's a lot to get to. I really didn't even want to cover all this stuff, but we got to talk about everything, all hot stocks, a lot of price action, so we'll get to all of that. And YOLO should be fun, nothing too serious. I got some good YOLOs. All right, guys, so yeah, great show today. Let's do it. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's do it. Boom. Okay. So let's start off with the stock market, as always. So the Dow Jones finishes down 0.17% today. The NASDAQ finishes up 1.07% today. Huge day for the NASDAQ. And the S&P 500 finishes up 0.34%. So, pretty good day for the stock market. Especially for the NASDAQ. So give that some applause. Okay, so let's see what's going on here today. So we got Express up 9.64%. Big day for Express. I remember back in January, this was like below $2. So, yeah, crazy meme stock. that's staying up. But big day for Express. Then we have Nvidia, one of the big stories today. Earnings on Nvidia. Up 8.25%. So, yeah, they smashed earnings. We'll get to that. But, yeah, really good day for NVIDIA. Congrats to all the NVIDIA apes. Amazon, huge day for Amazon. 4.14%. Wonder what happened there. But, yeah, huge day for Amazon. Looks like the vaccine stocks are bouncing back. Vaxart up 4.59%. Novavax 3.84%. And Moderna up 3.79%. Very nice. Big day for Apple. Yeah, a lot of tech is up. Apple up 2.85%. AMD up 2.42%. What's up, low roller? We are getting wrecked on Dogecoin and crypto. Yeah, crypto is really, really bad today. We'll get to that. I mean, it seems like it's recovering now a little bit, but earlier in the day, I think it hit 57K. I was like, what the hell's going on? I think Doge hit 22 cents. Yep, couldn't believe it. So hopefully that turns around, but yeah, crypto not doing too hot, the past week. Asian guy get wrecked. Yeah, and Alibaba, what is it now? Like 140? We'll get to that. We're going to do Alibaba last today, 6. But yeah, feel sorry for that, dude. Alibaba is no good. They had earnings. We'll get to that. Bad earnings. All right, what else we got here? Whoops. What I just hit. No, I don't want to buy options. But yeah, other than that, there's not too much price action on the green side. So just tech exploding today. And Express for some reason. Google up 1.21%. Roblox keeps on going. Amazing. 1.14%. Tesla 0.68%. But yeah. Indexes are a little bit deceiving because there wasn't too much in the green today. Just a few select tech stocks leading the way. A lot of value tech stocks leading the way. NVIDIA, Amazon, AMD, Apple, all that good stuff. So, yeah, I would say the indexes are a bit deceiving. Mostly everything is down except for big tech. On to the red side. So we got Romeo Power down 14.31%. That's a bit of a meme stock. A lot of meme stocks down actually today. Clover down 12.75%. Damn, Clover's at 560 now. That is so sick. That is disgusting. I used to have Clover at like 9 or 10. I can't remember, but good thing I got out of there. Yeah, meme stocks are dangerous, guys. Progenity, which we'll discuss first today. Honestly, kind of tired about talking about Prog, but it was number 1 again, so we'll talk about it. Down 11.89% today. CEI down 11.81%. Talked about that one yesterday. Getting wrecked. Tilray down 11.67%. Not really sure why, but it looks like a bunch of cannabis is down, actually. So, yeah. Tilray getting wrecked. Alibaba getting wrecked. Really, really wrecked. Alibaba's down 11.13%. And we'll discuss Alibaba 6 today. But, damn. That is disgusting. DATS down 10.7%. GREE down 10.2%. More meme stocks getting wrecked there. Canopy Growth 9.19%. So cannabis not doing too hot. CRTD down 9.06%. ANY 8.95%. BKKT down 8.79%. So these are all like meme / crypto stocks. Yeah, mostly meme and crypto getting wrecked today. Blink Charging, 8.58%, another meme stock. Fubo, another meme stock, 8.26%. Wish, another meme stock, 7.97%. Nikola, 7.47%, another meme stock. SOS, another meme stock, 7.35%. Robinhood, I guess that's a meme stock too, 7.15%. Damn, Coinbase. Coinbase is getting wrecked, 6.62%. Probably because crypto is just going down. XCLA, another meme stock, 6.62%. Microvision, another meme stock, 6.38%. Here comes the sirens. My apologies, guys. Gonna talk over it, but this sounds pretty... You know what? I'm just gonna mute, because this one is really loud. My bad, guys. Alright, my bad. Hopefully, the sirens don't act up today, but not a great start. Anyway, back to this. Yeah, it looks like some of these EVs pulling back. Whoa. Anyway, Workhorse, that's an EV down 6.34%. Another meme stock. Fisker down 6.17%. EV stock there looks like EVs are pulling back. PHUN, meme stock there, 6.12%. Sundial Grower, 6.1%. Everything getting wrecked here. Peloton down again, 5.34%. Orphazyme, Ocugen, meme stocks, down about 5.1%. Riot down 4.68%. Baidu EV stock 4.61%. Naked meme EV stock 4.41%. Palantir getting wrecked 4.4%. I guess you can call that a meme stock. Yeah, ZEV, that's an EV company, 4.28%. AMC 4.08%. Meme stock there. Twitter getting wrecked 3.97%. The hell's going on with Twitter? That's pretty bad. Yo, NASDAQ is up, but Twitter's down 4%. What the hell? Plan B will be wrong this month. It needs a miracle to reach $98,000 in 2 weeks. Yeah, I remember you told me about that. And I said, that's a bit ambitious. I don't think so. And then he said like 100K, 100-something K for December. Out of his damn mind. I'm not sure if he really believed that or he's just trying to get views. It kind of just sounds like he's trying to get views. Because that was a very ambitious prediction. I did not think it would even come close to 90-something K. What's up, Mitchell? Crap day? Yeah, for the most part. Except for a few tech stocks. This is a bloodbath in the stock market and in crypto. But yeah, it seems like a lot of meme stocks getting wrecked here. EV bubble is bursting, it seems like. Cannabis getting wrecked. Yeah, so really disgusting. The indexes are very deceiving. Because NASDAQ is up big, S&P is up, Dow Jones is down a little bit, but looking at the indexes, it would seem like it was a pretty good day, pretty decent day, but no, everything is disgusting here. Sorry, guys, my apologies, gonna talk over it. But yeah, appreciate you for being here, Mitchell. And there's Zach. All right, people starting to come in. We started a little slow, but people starting to come in. Appreciate you guys, as always. And please hit the like button as you're coming in. Really, really appreciate that. Shiba Inu almost 3? Is it really? No, I don't think so. Last time I checked, it was like 45 or yeah. I don't think it went that low. We'll get to that in a second, but yeah. Doge is down, Shiba's down, everything is down. Doge might drop as low as 12 in CoinMarketCap if Avalanche crypto. I certainly hope not. That would be very disgusting. I have quite a large position in Doge. So, yeah, clown on me. Because remember I said, literally I bought Doge 24. It goes up to 34 the next day. I literally made almost 50% in overnight. And then I'm like, yeah, to the moon. Nope. Now I'm in the red. So, give me the clown. Give me everything. Dumpster, clown, everything. Dumpster, everything. I ain't working at Wendy's, though. I ain't that poor yet. Diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
The hell is this? Apparently I have a Doge meme. I did not know that. I've never really used it. But I see right here I have a Doge meme. That's pretty funny. Plan B is following crypto history in 2013 and 2017 bull run. I mean, I guess it was a decent prediction. But, you know, this time around it's a little different. Because a lot more institutions are involved. So, it's not as volatile as before, and, you know, it can be more manipulated now. So, I guess it was an okay prediction, but, you can't really follow it exactly. Good day, green 10%, though. Hey, awesome, man. I'm glad. I'm glad someone in the community did great. Everyone else got pretty wrecked here, losing our asses. So, congrats to you, Mitchell. I mean, Zach, not Mitchell. Yeah, Mitchell's losing his arse on Sheeb. We're in the same boat. I mean, I don't have sheep. I have Doge. Getting wrecked on that. So, but, you know, if she pulls back enough to 25 or 0.000025, I'm in there. He bought at 24. You know the rest. Yeah, you already know. Where's my meme? Oh, where's my meme? Oh, here it is. He bought. Dump it. Story of my life. Story of my life. If I lose money in stock, can I deduct loss at the end of the year? If I make $5,000, then sell $5,000. If I make $5,000, then sell $5,000 lost, is that tax free? Yeah. So if you made one trade and you're up 5,000, then you lose 5,000 on another trade, you're net zero. So you don't owe any taxes. You should have bought Dogecoin every week to do cost average. Your mistake, you buying Dogecoin one time. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But, you know, I did it based on TA. Because, I mean, I'm not going to pull up TradingView. But, you know, I did TA on Dogecoin. And it looked like it was consolidating around 24, 25-ish. So I thought that was a great entry. I mean, I should have bought it at 16, you know, a couple months ago. But, it wasn't like YOLO, you know, whatever. I'm throwing a lot of money at Doge. Like, I looked at the chart, and which you can't really base your trades too much off of charts and meme coins, I understand. But the chart looked really good. So, and it was, you know, it did break out to 34, and now it's just back down. So, but if it goes down enough, if it goes down to like 16 or 12, for sure, I'm rebuying. Bitcoin is the blame. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, but yeah, all the crypto's getting wrecked. Anyway, back to this. Where was I? Yeah, a lot of memes getting wrecked. DWAC, which we got an article very shortly, down 3.93%. Plug 3.74%. Li Auto, so EV's getting wrecked. EV bubble bursting here, 3.73%. Jumia keeps on going down. Oh my god. Jumia down 3.56%. Yeah, costs, MicroStrategy, everything getting wrecked. EVs, memes, crypto, and crypto exposure. Yeah, cost down 3.44%. MicroStrategy 3.41%. Neo 3.18%. Damn, Pinterest down 3.1%. That's nasty. BlackBerry 3%. Virgin Galactic 2.96%. Anything else? SoFi 2.6%. ZD 2.43%. Viacom, oh my god. Yeah, I think I officially hate Viacom. I thought it was a great buy. I was very bullish on this. Back in March, I bought it at 42. To the moon, and now it's down to 34. What the hell is going on? Clown on me. Disgusting. Oops. Yeah, Xpeng 2.13%, Snapchat 2%. I saw some DD on Playboy on Wall Street Bets, so that means you probably shouldn't listen. But that's down 1.88%. Yeah, cruise line's getting wrecked. Airlines getting wrecked. All car companies getting wrecked. GM and Ford getting wrecked. Everything getting wrecked. Netflix down 1.4%. Interesting, because the Nasdaq is up so much. Wonder why that is. Ride down 1%. I think that's about it. So, yeah, nasty day for the stock market. I honestly did not think it was this bad until looking at this right now. Like I said, the indexes would suggest differently. Nasdaq is up big, S&P up a little bit, Dow Jones not down too much. So yeah, it seems like really today was led by a handful of big tech companies, mainly Amazon, Nvidia, AMD, and Apple, it seems like. Everything else, straight wrecked. So yeah, nasty day, good day. So you know, I got wrecked. Seems like most people got wrecked. So hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you made money. If not, hope it wasn't too bad. Jazz me going back up. They are happy again. There's another siren. This is not a great start. Too many sirens already. Yeah, I did see Jazz. It hit like 13, I think. Like 13 or 14. And it went back up to 19, I think, last time I checked. But they are happy again. I'm not so sure about that. You know, that's like that deserves the clown, you know, because it was at 35, goes to 14, comes back up to 19. Yeah, to the moon. No, you're still down almost 50%. Look at Jasmine website and Dog Elon Mars, which is worse. Yeah, I remember yesterday we were supposed to look at Jasmine website. We didn't get to that. I can tell you straight up, Jasmine website is not bad. It's just a whole bunch of nothing. Just a whole bunch of nothing. A lot of big words. Sounds nice. Sounds like a good coin to invest in. But it's just a whole bunch of gibberish. Not gibberish, but yeah, just a whole bunch of nothing, you know? It's just all marketing. There's nothing to it. There's no substance. I haven't been on the Dog Elon Mars website, so you can link that if you want. But yeah, I've seen the Jasmine website. It looks professional. It looks nice. I'll give it that. But it's not a scam, but it's all marketing. It's all marketing. It doesn't mean anything. It's all just big words to get you to buy. Can you do TA of Crypto.com and Galacoin? We can do that tomorrow because I don't have the TA drawn for those, and today we just got way too much to go over right now. But sure, dude, I can do that tonight. I can draw the TA, and we can go over that tomorrow. All right, guys. So that is the stock market. Let's move on to crypto now. Okay. Yeah, Staples Center's EcoCrypto.com arena. Yeah, we talked about that yesterday. Crazy stuff. All right, so here's crypto. That is down 3.3% today. What is this? Simp token? Okay. Well, yeah, let's first take a look at the poop coins. Cashback Pro, that's up 2,700%. Ethereum Meta, okay. That just sounds like another. What was the one Kim K was promoting? Ether Max, sounds like the same thing. Ethereum Meta, 600%. Telos Coin, that's up 366%. We got Dog Club Token. Baby Tiger King. Okay. Doge Dash. The hell's Doge Dash? Whatever. That's down 18%. All these stupid meme coins. Simp Token. Interesting. I don't buy this, guys. I don't know what the hell this is, but that's down 3.4%. And Gold Miner down 36.5%. Yeah, this is a bit ridiculous. I went Jasmine website. It takes me to this crappy website when I click CoinMarketCap. Yeah, we're not gonna look at the Jasmine website. We can look at the Dog Elon Mars if you want to, but I already seen the Jasmine website. What's up, Joshua? Joshua Frith? I hope I pronounced that right. Markets are retarded right now. Totally agree. I mean, hasn't it been ever since the pandemic? Jay Powell just keeps printing. But yeah, you know, today is really nasty. Stock market is getting wrecked, except for a few handful of big tech stocks. Crypto getting wrecked. Everything is getting wrecked today. So, but yeah, dude, I don't think I've seen you here before, so welcome to the show. Please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for being here, dude. All right, so let's take a look at the actual real coins now. Yen tokens was stable coin for Japanese, but yesterday it went 200%. How is that even possible? I guess we can take a look at that real quick. All right, so, all right, Bitcoin's down 3.29%. That's sub 58K again. Disgusting. Make it stop. Make it stop. This is disgusting. It hurts. It hurts. Ether down 4%. That's pushing 4K again. I think it briefly dipped below 4K earlier today. Binance down 6.4%. Solana down 6.72%. Cardano down 1.85%. XRP down 3.57%. Pretty much everything is down. Polkadot 3.45%. Doge 4.21%. Couldn't have been a little smaller. 4.20%. Oh well. Come on, Doge. Do something. Go the other way. This is nasty. Sheep is down 9%. Yeah, that's pushing 4 again. 0.0004. Everything is down. Crypto.com is up, actually. That's Crypto.com and Algorand. Crypto.com is up 2%. That's up 50% for the week. Algorand's up 17.39%. That's like the only thing that's up here. Oh, and Decentraland. Decentraland's up 18.76%. Elrond's up. But, yeah, pretty much everything is wrecked right now. Oh, the Sandbox. This one's been mooning. This is number 45 now? Holy crap. That's up 27.18%. Up 90% for the week. Yeah, let's sort this out. But this is a whole bunch of red here. Bloodbath. Big bloodbath. Shiba Inu is number 12 in CoinMarketCap. Yeah, it is dropping. No, it's number 11. It's number 11. Avalanche is number 12. Maybe it was before. Yep, I'm definitely getting wrecked out here. Well, sorry to hear that, Marvin, but if it makes it feel any better... What the hell? I think something happened. There's a lot of fire trucks. Well, if it makes you feel any better, Marvin, we're all pretty much getting wrecked. So, you know, we're all in it together. This is very reminiscent of, you know, when we were all in MMAT together. And, yeah. It helps us bond. We're all getting wrecked together. All taking it in the ass together. But, let's sort this out. So... yeah, really not too many coins in the green here. So, yeah, biggest gainers are the Sandbox, Decentraland, and Algorand. Those are in the double digits. Then we got Voyager. That one was up yesterday. Engine, CRV, Crypto.com. Pretty much all minor coins here. So, yeah, really nasty day for crypto. Let's check out the red side. I don't even want to see this. You know what? This isn't actually as bad as I thought. I mean, it is real bad, but the price action isn't as bad as I thought. There's only 2 coins in the double digits here. Phantom and Cadena. Everything else is down less than 10%, but pretty much everything is down. So, yeah, disgusting all around. Crypto has not been doing well the past week. Please go back up. Please and thank you. Crypto article. All right, we'll get to that very shortly. So let me see this Gien token. I've never heard of that. Gien token. 1 second, guys. Is this the one you're talking about, Low Roller? Doesn't look like a stable coin to me. I don't think it is. Anyway, yeah. So that is crypto today. Nasty stuff. Nasty day in crypto. Nasty day in the stock market. Hope you guys didn't get too wrecked. But if you did, don't feel bad. We all did. We all got wrecked today. All right. I guess we'll look at Dog Elon Mars, and then we'll look at this article here. Did Bitcoin tank 26% in November 2017? And then go up 200% in 20. And then goes up 200% after Thanksgiving. Can Bitcoin repeat history again? I mean, it's certainly possible, but I wouldn't count on it because, like I said earlier, this time around things are a little different. Institutions have a lot more power. They can manipulate the price a lot easier. And yeah, it's not as volatile. So like crypto is going down now, but it's not down 25%, not down 26%, not yet at least. I hope it doesn't. I don't think it's gonna go that down. And I don't think it's gonna go mooning like that. Those were crazy times when there was like anything goes. But I sure hope so. All right. What kind of website is this? All right, there it goes. I thought it was just blank. Okay. What the hell is this? In 2420, a young Dog Elon Mars was born into the beautiful red sands of Mars, where he would live peacefully alongside his family. This is a total joke. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, it's an intergalactic cryptocurrency. Right. Alright, well, I mean, yeah, this is a meme coin. This is a total joke. This is not meant to be taken seriously. Jasmy Coin, their website is a lot more professional. Trying to cater to like actual real investors. But yeah, this is a pretty crappy website here. I would say Jasmy's website is better. Although it doesn't really say anything, but it is better made. For sure. Like, this is just a total joke here. It's a bad website, and I think it's meant to be bad. Honestly, that's what it seems like. So, yeah, I would say Jasmy has a better website. But this is probably going to be the better coin, in all honesty, in my opinion. Not financial advice. But, yeah, I'm not convinced at this coin yet. But, who knows? If it pulls back enough, why not? I'll throw a little money here. All right. Canadian police arrest teen for allegedly stealing $36 million in crypto. It's the biggest cryptocurrency theft ever reported in Canada. Well, I mean, that's good. Screw that guy. I hate scammers. Yeah, all right, he did a SIM swap. So be careful about these SIM swap, guys. This is a real thing. I'm very scared of this SIM swap stuff. Hackers are getting more sophisticated. Scammers are getting more sophisticated. And that's how Trayvon James got robbed. SIM swap. And yeah, a lot of people are victims to this. You just don't really hear about it because people don't come out and talk about it. But got what he deserved here. Hope he goes to jail for a long time, and I hope he, I'll leave it at that. Some of the stolen crypto was used by the teen to purchase an online username that the online gaming community considers rare. The suspicious transaction then led investigators to uncover the account holder of the username. So he really did it to himself. he could have got away with this, but he got caught because he purchased a username. The hell is that? So he got caught the stupidest way possible. Kind of like, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but way back in the day, you know, on the dark web, Dread Pirate Roberts, the guy who founded the Silk Road, the original one at least, he got caught because he bought a Tesla Roadster in Bitcoin. Spent like 140K on a Tesla Roadster. And that's how he got caught. Because you don't do stupid stuff like that. But, thanks for sharing, though, Roller. I mean, that sucks to the people who lost money, but I'm glad this guy got put away. And, but, honestly, there's a lot of thieves. A lot more people who, you know, who are into this stuff. And, yep, they all deserve to go away. So, glad got this guy off the streets, but there's definitely a lot more. Another cat and mouse game here. Are you planning to buy Doggyline Mars? Look at the chart. Doggyline Mars, it could be goodbye now. Not gonna look at it today because we have a lot of stuff to get through. But not yet. Yeah, I'm not even convinced yet. I'm not convinced it's really gonna moon. But then, you know, it's gonna moon and it's gonna be too late. But as of right now, I'm not convinced. I'm just looking at SHIB and Doge right now. If you steal, you should cut their hands so no one can steal again, like in Saudi Arabia, like they do there. Isn't that what they do? Saudi Arabia, all those Arab countries. Like Sharia law, you steal anything to cut your hands off. Hey, I'd be for it. Sure, why not? I mean, you know, we don't really do that in the Western countries, but I'd be for it. Why not? Alright, this is like the 10th ambulance. This is crazy. But I'm just going to talk over it. We got a lot to get to, guys. Okay, so to get to my articles now. 1 second, guys. Alright, so today we have 2 articles. One about crypto tax bill and another about DWAC, DWAC, the Trump SPAC. So let's read. Lawmakers introduce bipartisan bill to address crypto tax reporting requirement. Key points. A bipartisan group of House representatives introduced a bill Thursday to address a contentious new tax reporting requirement for cryptocurrency in the infrastructure bill. The Keep Innovation in America Act would define brokers newly bound to the tax reporting rules so that software developers without the necessary customer information to report are not tied up in the new provision. Trade groups representing the cryptocurrency industry warned of the uncertainty the new tax reporting requirement would create without more specific language. So honestly, I don't even know what this is. But you know, the infrastructure bill that passed a couple days ago, they really sneaky. They snuck it in there about crypto taxes. What does that have to do with infrastructure? Nothing. So these damn politicians, can't trust them. So I'm not really sure what this is doing here, but it's not good. Let's just put it that way. You know, they're just trying to crack down on crypto taxes, and Uncle Sam has to get his. And they're just making a whole mess because these politicians don't even know anything about crypto. And yeah, these crypto lobbyists, I guess, they're right, because it would create uncertainty and FUD, and we do need more specific language in the law. Because that's probably a reason why crypto's selling off. You know, I mean, a healthy pullback, but also because there's fear, FUD, with these new tax laws. So, hey, what's new? We knew this was coming, but, you know, this sucks. So I hope they can sort this out. Anyway, on to the next article here. I hate the IRS for crypto taxes. Well, I mean, can't blame them, right? That's their job. But the way they're handling it is pretty dumb. I think everyone agrees with that. So it was fun while it lasted. Okay. Will they go after DeFi? DeFi doesn't have any owners. I don't think so. Who are they gonna go after? It's a peer-to-peer. It's decentralized. So I mean, they'll find a way. They'll find a way. But yeah, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, DeFi, all that stuff. All these decentralized exchanges. I don't see how they can go after anyone. But leave it to them to find a way. You know, they want their cut. Government wants their cut. All right, so another article here about DWAC, the Trump SPAC that I got wrecked on. But let's read. Senator Elizabeth Warren oh, wrong one. I hit the wrong button. I hit the bull. My bad. I did not mean to hit the bull. Let's try that again. Senator Elizabeth Warren calls on SEC to investigate Trump SPAC deal with DWAC for possible securities violations. Is this surprising? Absolutely not. I don't want to get too political, but hey, what's new? Key points. Senator Elizabeth Warren asked the SEC to investigate a planned SPAC deal involving the new social media company of former President Donald Trump. Warren noted recent news reports that DWAC may have committed securities violations by holding private and undisclosed discussions about the merger as early as May 2021. The reports about DWAC and Trump Media and Technology Company appear to be a textbook example of a SPAC misleading shareholders and the public about materially important information, the Massachusetts Democrat said. Okay. So, yeah. Again, don't want to get too political, but historically, when it comes to business, you know, Trump isn't the most ethical person, let's just put it that way. So this is not surprising. And, yeah, so this may affect the stock price. You know, this is like still under investigation. They're just allegations at this point. But yeah, if they decide to pursue this really could tank the stock. I mean, I do think it's overvalued anyway. But yeah, probably a lot of this is just a political hit job, and part of it is actually because this is a violation. But honestly, I think if it weren't Trump, she probably wouldn't be going after. I'm sure there's plenty of SPACs who've done this, you know. Negotiate mergers before they IPO, but I think, you know, they're going after DWAC because it's Trump, and you know, everything is political now. But yeah, very interesting article here. Thought I should share with you guys, and this could be really bad for the stock. So if you're currently holding DWAC, just be careful. I'm not paying taxes on crypto. They will have to come for me. I mean, yeah. Why would you? You know, unless they subpoena you, unless they garnish your wages or whatever, or, you know, come get it. No, in this market, you should have hit the bears, lol. I got that one, too. You should wait a couple of days. Not sell DWAC. You probably make a lot of money, but you sold it one day earlier. If you make a lot of money, DWAC, you wouldn't go back to work to get licensed. Well, I mean, it's not going down as I thought it would. It is holding up really well. It's at 60. I did not think it would hold up this well. And I'm gonna start trading again in the New Year's. I'm gonna start, day trading again. I'm just taking a break here. But honestly, everything happens for a reason. I actually do want to. This is actually a good thing. I do want to get a license and start my own company. RIA first. Eventually, I'd like to open a hedge fund. So, I'm a big believer in everything happens for a reason. So it definitely hurt in the moment, but in the grand scheme of things, in the long term, this might actually be a good thing for me. So, no regrets. No regrets. If you do that, you will be back taking big risk again. Yeah, but this time around, I'm gonna do it in a more smart way. I'm not gonna go for, like before, I would go for like pretty much anything that jumps a lot. Now I'm gonna be more selective in what I go for. I'm gonna wait for bigger gains. Essentially, I'm just gonna go for stocks that gain, a couple 100%, and I'm gonna throw more money at it. So I'm just gonna be more selective with what I short. So yeah, this time around I'm gonna be a lot smarter with it, a lot more selective. Entrepreneurship is the only way you're going to stay afloat in this country now. Yeah, damn right, especially with inflation. I see all these memes. Inflation is transitory. I mean, it's been the only way you can really get wealthy, entrepreneurship and investment. So, yeah, I've always been entrepreneurial. Don't want to work for anybody. And at first I was going to. I wanted to work for JP Morgan, but no, now I'm going to do my own thing. So, yeah, like I said, everything happens for a reason, and I'm kind of glad it did happen the way it did, because this is something I actually do want to pursue. And I get to keep doing YouTube. I was going to stop the show, and no, I get to keep doing YouTube now, and this is a way I can advertise my company. Put small money? Nah, dude, what kind of ape would I be if I put small money? You go big or go home. Not financial advice, guys. I'm totally joking. But yeah, I'm not gonna put small money. I need to make money, but I'm not gonna put stuff I can't afford to lose. I'm not gonna YOLO everything. DraftKings getting wrecked. I did see that, but I used to have DraftKings Leaps. Sold those at like 50 something, so made a profit there. Happy with that. Glad I got out of there. And Neo. Unfortunately, I did not sell my Alibaba, so I'm getting wrecked on that. And Viacom also getting wrecked on that. A lot of poor people from third world country. It is only way getting rich. Open small business. Yeah. In any country, not even poor third world countries. Even here in the great U.S. of A. The only way you can really get rich is through entrepreneurship and investment, or wealthy, I should say. Wealthy, not rich. What the hell? Another siren. Sorry about that, guys. Or you can just get lucky and be born into a rich family. But at least in some countries you can't even open your own business. So anyway, yeah, so that is the articles for today. So let's get into the analysis now. And yeah, we got a lot to talk about. Already spent a lot of time, 50 minutes, talking about all this stuff. And today we have 6. Let me actually bring up TD here. Yep, so today for the analysis, we're going to do PROG, LCID, Progenity, Lucid, NVIDIA, NVDA, CEI, Camber Energy, RIVN, Rivian, and Alibaba, BABA. So yeah, I did not want to do this many stocks today, but they were all trending, a lot of price action. So I really couldn't cut anything out. So I'm going to try to get through this stuff as quickly as possible. But probably going to be talking for a little bit here. So I don't want to bore you guys. So I'm going to try my best to get through this stuff quickly as possible. And a bunch of these stocks is going to be more or less the same the past 2 days. You know, PROG, Lucid, CEI, and Rivian. I'm just going to be saying the same stuff. So, yeah, hope it's not too boring for you guys, but they're still trending, so I got to talk about it. Okay, so, first one is PROG. But it is expensive to open business in rich countries. In poor countries, it is cheaper to open business. That is true. Yep. Less regulation and stuff. Also depends on the business. But yeah, you know, generally here you need insurance, storefront, stuff like that, inventory. So, but you know, if you do well in a poor country, business wise, and you came here, you'd still probably be poor. That's the only thing. But, you know, in any situation, I definitely encourage entrepreneurship. No one should really be slaving away at a, you know, 9-to-5 job, making nothing. Okay. Is that a gap? No, it's not. All right, let's do it, guys. Excuse me. All right. So here is PROG Progenity. This finishes at $4.30 today. That is down 11.89%. So we've been talking about this one the past few days. This has been a very hot stock on social media, especially stock twits. Today, this was number 1 trending on stock twits once again. So we'll talk about it again. So the previous few shows, I said that the stock is starting to show weakness. And the squeeze might be over. And it might pull back pretty hard from here. And today we have another 11.89% red day. So, yeah, not looking good. But there was no reason to justify this price action today. It just seems like people taking profits, and shorts entering, and the shorts are coming in here. So let's go ahead and analyze. You just make your boss richer sitting at your office doing no work. Everyone's dream job. Yeah, everyone wants to be the boss. That's what I want to do eventually, you know, when I open my own firm. Eventually, I want to hire other agents, other investment advisors, and then you know, they go out and get the clients, and I just take a cut. I just sit on my ass and collect money. Isn't that everyone's dream? But you know, you got to put your work in first to get to that point. Unless you're the child of some rich people, they got it easy. But even then, you know, I've come to learn it's better. Things are better earned than given to you. It's much more satisfying. You grow as a person a lot more, and you're happier too in general. You know, when you earn, when you earn money and the things you want in life. If it's just given to you, it doesn't mean as much. Anyway, back to this. So we have a gap up at 350. So that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us the stock should come back down to 350 eventually to fill this gap here. So bearish indicator. And we also have this cup and handle. This looks like a complete cup. Top of the cup being $6 and the bottom being 66 cents. So that would currently be a bearish indicator because that is saying the stock should pull back halfway between $6 and 66 cents. to form the handle. And I already did the math. This should pull back to around 330 to complete the handle here. And that's right around where this gap is. So yeah, another bearish indicator. Cup and handle. Complete cup handle forming. Never been given shiz. Never asked to. I agree. It's way more satisfying getting whatever one wants by working towards their goals. Yeah, definitely. I know a bunch of friends, bunch of acquaintances, very wealthy parents, and they're pretty unhappy. It's like, damn, you've never struggled a damn day in your life, and they're depressed. It's like, the hell's going on here? So people don't really value money, and they don't value money the same. It means a lot more to someone who earned it, who never had it. And not saying I was poor or anything. I was pretty fortunate growing up. Definitely not wealthy or rich by any means, but yeah, totally agree. Things are best earned, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Okay. So right now this is sitting, actually. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 455 and 425. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 455, 475, $5, 520, 535, 550, 575, 595, 610, 630, 645, 685, 730, and then the high of 786. And there is resistance above that, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And to the downside, next levels of support would be 425, $4, 380, 360, 340, 320, 290, 260, 235, 220, 195, 175, 145, 120, 110, $1, 85 cents, 75 cents, and then the low of 65 cents. So right now at this current price, 430, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 643 to the upside, however, if/when this breaks 645 to the upside, the channels open up and get real wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 645. The RSI is currently at 62. So no longer in overbought and overvalued territory, but still above average. So still keep an eye on that, guys. And this did 78 million in volume today. Significant volume. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. All right, guys. So really not much has changed since the last time we discussed this one yesterday. I said this looks extremely bearish. Doesn't look as bearish as yesterday because it pulled back 12% today, but still looks pretty bearish. So I'm going to stick to what I said, and that is I think this is going to pull back in the short term to at least 350, maybe even lower. Again, we have the gap. We have the gap up. Pretty high RSI, and the complete cup and the handle forming here. So a lot of bearish indicators. Only thing bullish this stock has going for it is the strong social media sentiment and that's not going to last forever. The momentum has to cool off eventually. And no neutral indicators. So yeah, overall looks pretty bearish to me. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Still has more room to run to the downside. So if you were to go long here at 430, you're probably going to end up holding some bags. So I will say, though, if you're a little patient, this should pull back to 350 to fill the gap. Probably go even lower than that. So I don't like the entry of 430 going long, but I like the entry of 350 and lower. So yeah, if you want to go long, just hold off for a little bit, probably a couple of days. This should pull back to 350 at least, and that would be an excellent entry. I'd support going long at 350. And if it pulls back below 350, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, for the same reasons, looks extremely bearish right now. Should pull back to at least 350. So from this current price, 430 down to 350, that's a 20% downside, and it might go even lower than that. So, good amount of attendees to be made there. A lot of downside potential. So, yeah, going short looks like a good play to here. Going short looks like a good play to me here. I would support that. And it really doesn't seem too risky at this point. This looks like it's going into free fall right now. Very bearish. There really should not be any reason why this runs back up to $6 and more. So, yeah, going short appears to be a low risk, medium reward play right now. Looks like a good short to me. Not financial advice. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Very nasty. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice. But like I said, this looks very bearish in the short term. So, don't get greedy. Don't get greedy, guys. Don't get caught holding the bag. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PROG Progenity. All right, next one, Lucid. Yeah, I'm trying to go fast, guys, because this is a lot. Okay, here is LCID, Lucid Group. This finishes at $47.05 today. That is down 10.47%. So, here's another stock that we've been talking about the past few shows. Very popular stock on social media right now. This is part of the whole EV craze going on. And there was no specific news to justify this price action today. So I'm going to assume just people taking profits and the shorts starting to pile in here. Because this was pretty absurd. It went from 16 to 58 in 2 months. Insane price action. Couldn't keep up forever. So this does seem to be just some healthy pullback right here. But let's go ahead and analyze. So, like I said in the previous shows, this does appear to be a cup and handle. Top of the cup being 58 and the bottom being 16. So, if you do the math, halfway between those two is around 37. So, the cup complete at 58, and the next step would be for the handle to form halfway between 58 and 16. So I do expect this to pull back to 37 to complete the handle. But yeah, complete cup handle forming, that is a bearish indicator. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 47.90 and 45.95. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 47.90, 50, 50, 52, oh my god, 52.80, 54.75, 56.25, 58.05, 60.20, 62.15, and then the high of 64.86. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 45.95, 44.90, 43.70, 41.30, 39.95, 38.30, 36.50, 34.80, 32.55, 31.45, 30.45, 28.75, 27.50, 26.80, 25.30, 24.25, 22.45, 21.40, 20.30, 19.10, 18.35, 17.15, 16.10. Oh, let's end it there. And then the low of 16.10. And there is support below that, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 47.05, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. The RSI is currently at 73, so not in overbought and overvalued territory anymore, but still above average, so careful, guys. And this did 131 million in volume today, very significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. So, again, nothing has really changed with this stock since we talked about this one yesterday. I said it looks bearish in the short term. It's not as bearish anymore because the stock did go down 10.5% today, but still looks pretty bearish. And like I said, we have a complete cup here. Looks like the handle is forming, so I do expect the handle to complete around 37. And then it should consolidate from there for a little bit and eventually break out again. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that and I would not recommend that. Looks very bearish in the short term. Looks like it's going into free fall right now. So if you were to go long here, you're probably going to end up holding some bags. Not really a great idea, in my opinion. So I don't like the entry of 47.05, but like I said, it should pull back to around 37. So I do like the entry of 38.30 or 36.50, which is some of the support that I have here. So if you're a little bit patient, probably a few trading sessions, you should be able to get this at a much better price. So I would support going long at 37, around 37 and lower. And if it pulls back below that, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty decent play to me. From 47 down to 37. That is a little over a 20% downside. So a lot of downside potential, decent tendies to be made. Really shouldn't be too risky. This should not go back above 58. So yeah, going short appears to be a medium, low risk, medium reward play. Looks like a pretty good play to me. Looks like a pretty good short to me. So I would support going short at this current price, 47.05. Please just cover around 37 because really shouldn't go too much lower than that. So get your tendies and get out. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but looks really bearish in the short term. Like I said, don't get caught holding the bag, guys. Don't be too greedy. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is LCID, Lucid Group. All right, next one, Nvidia. This one might take a little longer because we got to go over earnings here. Okay, here's NVDA Nvidia. This finishes at $316.75 today. That is up 8.25%. So this was one of the major runners today. Was trending top 10 on StockTwits. Apes are very happy with this. So let's discuss it. So the reason why this stock went up so much today is because we had earnings and we had price upgrades. So let's take a look at that. So EPS was $1.17, which beat the estimate of $1.10. What was revenue? What was the revenue here? Oh, here it is. Okay. All right, just gonna wait for the siren to pass. I'm gonna take a drink real quick, guys. One second. All right. And the revenue was $7.1 billion. So they smashed earnings. Very good earnings. So in addition to that, we have a price. We have a bunch of. So in addition to that, we have a bunch of price upgrades. Key bank upgrades to 350. Piper Sandler upgrades to 350. Mizuho upgrades to 335. Raymond James upgrades to 365. Benchmark upgrades to 365. Truist upgrades to 389. Deutsche Bank upgrades to 285. That's on the lower end. JP Morgan upgrades to 350. Needham upgrades to 400. Jefferies upgrades to 370. Craig-Hallum upgrades to 350. KGI Securities upgrades to 355. Exane BNP upgrades to 200. That's also on the lower end. Bank of America upgrades to 375. So yeah, all around good stuff. Great earnings. Apes loved it. Hedge funds loved it. And everyone is throwing their money at this stock right now. So let's go ahead and analyze now. So we do have a double gap. Actually, we have a triple gap up. Yeah, we have a triple gap up. Gap up at 232, 276, 267, and then today we have another gap up at 305. So yeah, triple gap up. That is extremely bearish. Now some of these gaps may never fill, but there is a good chance they will. Usually they do fill. So, so there's a very good chance this stock will come back down to 305, then 267, and then 232. No guarantees it'll pull back that low, but this should pull back pretty significantly. So just be aware of that. Triple gap up, extremely bearish there. Yeah, this is at an all-time high right now. Damn. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 323 and 314. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 323 and then the high of 327. And if it breaks 327, then it's onto the upside, onto uncharted territory, and the market will decide for itself what this stock is worth. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 314, 307, 302, 297, 293, 288, 272, 276, 258, 250, 245, 240, 232, 229, 223, 217, 212, 209, 205, 200. Yeah, we'll stop there. And then 200. And there is a lot of support below 200, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Should not be too relevant. So right now at this current price, 317, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 327 to the upside, which is the all-time high it set today, again, that's onto uncharted territory. So expect a significant increase in price action if this breaks 327. The RSI is currently at 75, so that is overbought and overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 78 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so we had some great PR, great news, great earnings, a lot of upgrades. That's very bullish. However, the chart looks extremely bearish at the moment. This is literally the all-time high, triple gap up, high RSI and volume. So a lot of bearish indicators. Really no bullish or neutral indicators. So I do think in the short term, this should pull back. How much it's gonna pull back, I really can't say. But this could pull back to maybe even 232. That's where the first gap is. One second, guys. I gotta mute. Here comes another siren. This is really bad today. So I'm gonna mute and, yeah, give me 1 second. I gotta take a drink and answer some text here. All right, my apologies. Let's continue. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that right now. That seems like a really bad idea. Again, this is literally the all-time high. Not a great time to go, not a great time to enter, and a lot of bearish indicators here. So I think the best move, if you want to go long, is to hold off for a little bit, be patient. Honestly, probably for a couple of weeks to a couple of months. And this should pull back. Can't say how much, but just watch the price action. See how this trades. Once this starts to pull back, once this starts to catch some support, once it bottoms out and starts to reverse, then come in and make your move. Again, I really can't say how low this is going to go. But if you are patient, you should be able to get a much better price than 317. Definitely not a good idea to go long here. So just wait for the pullback, guys. And if you want to go short, not financial advice. Personally, I wouldn't do that because I don't like betting against these blue chip stocks. This is a very established company, legit company. That being said, this should pull back. Again, I don't know how much it's going to pull back, but same thing. I would support going short at this current price, and you can hold it until this starts to catch some support and bottom out. Then you should exit. There should be a decent amount of tendies to be made. I would say at least 10%. Maybe even more. So, you know, it's not the sexiest trade, but I would say relatively short here. Relatively safe short here. Not too many tendies to be made, but this really shouldn't go too bad. on the short side. This is a relatively safe play if you want to go short. So I would support going short at 317 and exiting once this catches support and bottoms out. So congratulations to everyone who made money on the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. But again, this is literally the all-time high. Looks very bearish in the short term. So secure the gains. Don't get too greedy. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is NVDA Nvidia. All right, next one's CEI. All right, we got three more: CEI, Rivian, and Alibaba. So I'm trying to go as fast as I can, guys. Almost done. Bear with me. Okay, here is CEI Camber Energy. This finishes at $1.27 today. That is down 11.81%. I don't have enough memes here for all the bloodbath that's going on today. Actually, I think I do. I got Timber, and I got the Gone. All right, I think I got enough memes for this. Here comes another fire truck. What the hell is going on today? I thought yesterday was bad. Today is real bad. This is literally like one every couple of minutes. All right, I think it's going the other way. So another stock we discussed yesterday. Yesterday this had some major price action, some great PR. And today this was trending top 10 on StockTwits today. So we're going to talk about it again. Now today there wasn't any justification to this price action. So I'm just going to assume just some profit taking going on and some shorts entering. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 137 and 121. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 137, 152, 168, 177, 188, $2, 210, 218, 230, 238, 280, 310, 322, 344, 381, 413, 437, and then the high of 485. And if this goes to the downside, did I miss one? I did miss one. So my bad, guys. It was not 121. It was trading between 137 and 125. So not 121, 125. So if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 125, 121, 112, 101, I missed another one, my bad. 112, 106, 101, 91 cents, 83 cents. Yeah, let's just stop there at 83 cents. And then 83 cents. And there is support below 83 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Should not be too relevant. Hopefully that fire truck is going to put out the fire. And that is the market right now. Good one. Got the jokes, man. I certainly hope so. Because we're all getting wrecked right now. Okay. So right now at this current price, 127, the channels to the upside are really wide. So expect significant price action if this continues to run to the upside. However, to the downside, the channels are narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if this continues to run to the downside. RSI is currently at 48, so that is pretty average. So according to the RSI, this current price of 127 is around fair market value, and this did 102 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so another stock that is pretty much the same as yesterday. Yesterday I said this might come back up to 190 at most. Now after today, it does not appear like this is going to go back to 190 in the short term at least. So I said it's either going to go to 190, then pull back to 117 to fill the gap, or just pull back to 117. So it does appear now like it's going back to 117 to fill the gap. And really that's the only thing we can go off of here. The only bearish indicator. All the other indicators are pretty neutral. So yeah, this chart looks slightly bearish right now. I do think it's going to pull back to 117 to fill the gap, and then start to run to the upside again. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. I would hold off for right now. Be patient. This should pull back to 117 in the relative short term, probably a couple of days. So I don't like the entry of 127, but I do like the entry of 117 and lower. So I would support going long at 117, and if it pulls back below that, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, that's an okay play. Relatively safe play here. About 10% to the downside. So from this current price, 127, that's about a 10% downside to 117. Definitely not the most pennies in the world, but it is a relatively safe play. So yeah, not the sexiest play, but safe play. You should be able to make an easy 10% here. So I would support going short at 127. Please just cover at 117. Not financial advice. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but this does look bearish in the short term. Probably going to pull back to 117. So secure the gains, guys. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CEI Camber Energy. All right, two more. So next one is Rivian. This shouldn't take too long. Alibaba might take a little longer, but Rivian shouldn't take too long. Okay, here is RIVN, Rivian Automotive. This finishes at $123.38 today. That is down 15.53%. And it's gone. So, another stock we talked about yesterday and the past few days. This one we really can't analyze too much because we only have a week's worth of trading here. But yeah, this was mooning along with all the other EVs. We are in an EV bubble right now. It appears like the bubble has popped and everything is going down right now. But yeah, no specific news to justify this price action today, so I'm just going to assume profit taking and shorts entering. So yesterday I said that I predicted this would come back down to 95 and lower because the valuation is absolutely absurd. I think this was valued at 150 billion, which is more than Ford and GM combined, and they only have like 150 deliveries so far. So I think most people would agree the valuation is absolutely absurd, and it was going to pull back eventually. So yeah, the absurd valuation combined with how IPOs usually trade. Let's back up a little bit. So I also said, generally speaking, the way IPOs trade are they go up in the short term once they IPO and then pull back pretty hard after that. Not all the time, but generally speaking, this is how IPOs trade. So I predicted this would pull back in the short term below 95, which is the IPO price, and probably lower than that. Don't know how low it's going to go, but this is looking very bad right now. So yeah, this does look very bearish to me in the short term. So nothing really has changed since yesterday, so I'm going to stick to what I said. I do think this is going to pull back to 95 and lower in the short term. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Pretty bad idea right now. This is going into free fall, and if you buy in here, you're probably going to end up holding some pretty big bags. So please don't do that, guys. Very risky. If you want to go long, just hold off, be patient. This is going to pull back. This is probably going to pull back pretty hard. Just observe the price action. I would say wait a couple weeks to a couple months. That's usually what I advise when it comes to IPOs. And so yeah, so I would just hold off for right now. Observe the price action. Watch how far this goes down, and when this starts to catch some support and starts to bottom out, then come in and make your move. Again, I have no idea how low this is going to go, but you should be able to get a much better price if you're just a little bit patient. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. From this current price, 123 down to 95, that is over a 20% downside. That's about a 25% downside, and I would say that's probably the bare minimum that this is going to go down. Probably going to tank even harder than that. Never fails. Okay. So yeah. Not financial advice, but this looks like an easy 25% at least. You should be able to make even more than that. So going short looks like an excellent play to me right here. Great entry at even though you could have went short at 160, 123 is still an excellent entry, and you should be able to make some fat tendies here to the downside. So yeah, going short looks like an excellent play to me. I would support that. And again, I have no idea how low this is going to go, but just wait until this catches some support and starts to bottom out. Then that's a good time to exit. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but again, looks very bearish in the short term. So don't get too greedy, secure the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is RIVN. Rivian Automotive. All right, last one, guys. We actually got through this pretty quickly. I've been talking a lot. I'm like, my throat is pretty dry here, but almost done. We just got Alibaba, then onto the Yolos. So sorry for boring you guys. Almost done, I promise. Really appreciate you guys for sticking around and listening to all this boring stuff here. But one more to go. Okay, here is Alibaba. Okay, here is BABA, Alibaba. This finishes at $143.60 today. That is down 11.13%. I give that to timber. Where's my timber? It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Okay. So what the hell's going on with Alibaba? This is insane. This literally was at 300 not too long ago, a couple of months ago. Actually, no. Longer than that. Yeah, this literally was at 300 not too long ago. And due to all the China FUD, this has pulled back very significantly. Crazy stuff, because this is a legit company. A legit, really good company. And it just won't keep... And it just doesn't keep... It doesn't stop going down. This is absurd. But today, there actually was a reason. There was a justification as to why this went down so much today. We had earnings. So let's check out the earnings. All right, so EPS was $1.74, which missed the estimate of $1.93. And the revenue was $31.15 billion, which missed the estimate of $32.05 billion. So bad earnings. They missed on EPS and revenue. In addition to that, Truist lowers their price target to $200. I mean, it's already lower than that, so whatever. I think they had a buyback also. Yep. Another ambulance. 1 second, guys. All right, my apologies. It's crazy out there today. We also do have a little bit of news here. So apparently during Q2, Alibaba did a $5.15 billion stock buyback. That is incredible, because even though they bought back over $5 billion worth of stock, it continues to go timber. What is going on here? So, every time it seems that it bottomed out, it just keeps on going lower. Incredible, incredible. So yeah, bad earnings. Stock is down another 11.13% today. What's new? This is normal at this point. Getting wrecked. Anyway, let's go ahead and analyze here. So today we have a gap down at 160. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back up to 160 eventually to fill that gap. Honestly, that's not saying much. Like, yes, I think everyone understands this will come back up to 160. I think everyone understands this stock will come back up eventually. But the question is, how much pain is left? How much lower will this go? But that is a bullish indicator. This stock should come back up to 160 eventually to fill that gap. Okay. What the hell? This is insane, guys. Like, literally every 2 minutes, there's another siren. This is, like, probably the worst day, like, ever, in terms of the show and the sirens. So, really apologize. I don't know what the hell's going on. New York City is crazy. Let me just tell you that. I need to get out of here. So we will continue once this passes. My apologies, guys. Sounds like it already passed. Alright, back to this. What's up, Monir? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. So we're almost done with the analysis. So you're right on time for the Yolos, dude. Alright. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 144 and 140. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 144. Let's call it 140. Yeah, 144, 149, 155, 160, 167, 172, 176, 180, 186, 190, 197, 201, 206, 212, 216, 220, 226, 231, 236, 241, 246, 250, 255, 260, 264, 267, 271, 275, and then the high of 280. And there is more resistance above 280, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 140, 129. Should we even go lower than that? Yeah. Yeah, and then 129. And literally, I can't go further than that. I can't go further back than that. I'm on the 3-year chart right here. And that's the most you can go on TD Ameritrade on Thinkorswim. So we're back to 3-year lows right now. Incredible, incredible. So there is support below 129, but I really don't know what they are. I can't go back that far. That's a really, really bad sign right there. So right now at this current price, 144, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. RSI is currently at 32, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but quickly approaching that. So this could be a good buying opportunity. I'm not going to say it is because everyone is trying to catch the bottom and it keeps on going lower. And this did 61 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So honestly, this is anyone's best guess. Just going off the TA, this looks like an excellent buy right here. But, you know, everyone's been saying it was an excellent buy since 250, 200, now 250. I mean, now 150. So, so on paper, it looks like a great buy. But in reality, I can't say that in good conscience. So if you want to go long, I could support that. Again, on paper, looks like a great buy. But this probably will keep on going down for who knows how long. But it just doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. This is insane. So I would support going long at this current price, 144. But there is a good chance it will keep on going lower. So if you want to go long, just do it at your own risk. But again, on paper, it looks like an excellent buy. And I would support that. Still very risky, though. So again, do it at your own risk. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, it'd be the opposite of what I said going long for. On paper, it looks like a ridiculous play going short here. But in reality, it might work out pretty well. Because who knows how long this is going to keep going down for. There's another one. Insane. I'm still holding SCS in bio. My buying price 130. I'm waiting for reverse for short term, not selling with loss. What do you think? Go down more, thanks. Let me finish with Alibaba and we can take a look at SESN. The hell is going on today? This city is crazy, dude. Alright. So honestly, I would not recommend going short because on paper, it looks ridiculous, but I could support it because in reality, it probably will keep going down, which is sad, but it's true. So, yeah, nobody knows how low this is going to go. Everyone keeps buying the dip, and it just keeps on dipping. So if you want to go short, not really the best play, but could work out really well, and I can support that. Just do that, again, do it at your own risk. Long or short right now, Alibaba, do it at your own risk. Nobody knows where the hell this is going. Yeah, I think at this point, long or short, this is a straight up gamble right now, which is incredible to even say, because It just keeps on pulling back. How low is it going to go? Bitcoin just dropped to 56K? What the hell? That's not good. I guess we can look at that in a second. I don't even want to see it. What's Doge at? Don't even tell me. I don't want to hear it. Oh my god. Alright. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BABA Alibaba. Alright, we're done, guys. We're done with the analysis. Holy crap, that took a long time. A lot of talking. My throat hurts. But we're done. So thanks, guys, for sticking around. Let's look at SESN. Then let's look at crypto. I don't even want to, but... Oh, damn. This is nasty. Wow. It's at $1.03 now. Damn. Well, sorry, Munir. This really sucks. But, I mean, at this point, what can you do? It wouldn't even make sense to sell at a loss here. And I would not encourage averaging down either, because 3 straight days of red. Honestly, it doesn't look too good in the short term. Yeah, this is a tough situation. At this point, it's just a hold, dude. I would not average down, and I definitely wouldn't sell, though, you know. That'd be pretty ridiculous right now. This price is so low. So, yeah, I mean, sorry to hear that. Very unfortunate. That sucks. But at this point, all you can really do is hold. Eventually, you will make your money back, but, you know, it's a matter of when. So, hope it doesn't take that long. This is pretty nasty. That's why I don't like going for this biotech stuff. Price action is insane. So, yeah, man, all I can say is just hang in there. Just hold. Don't average down, just hold. And I don't know how long it's going to take to get your money back, but eventually you should. So, yeah, unfortunate, dude. Sorry to hear that. But hope it works out for you. Good luck to you, man. Okay, so let's get to... Well, let's look at crypto one more time before we get to the Yolos. I don't even want to look, but here we go. All right. And what is it at? All right. All right, so it didn't hit 56K, or maybe it did briefly, but it went below 57. Ether is below 4,000. Oh my god, what is Doge at? All right, so Doge, it's at like 22 now. It was at 22 earlier. Oh man, it's gonna break 22. This is disgusting. Oh my god. It's gonna break 22. Shiba's about to break 4. What the hell? Make it stop. Make it stop. And now I'm lagging. I don't know what's going on here, but disgusting. Very, very disgusting. What the hell? Come on. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Well, you know what? At least I'm not getting wrecked alone. I'm getting wrecked along with you guys. We're all getting wrecked together. So, nice. How disgusting. So, yeah, hope you guys are holding up. But, yeah, this is disgusting. Yeah, this is about to break 22. Uh-oh. Alright, let's get on to the Yolos now. 1 second, guys. Let me pull it up. And here comes another siren. What's new? I'm going to mute while I pull this up. paying in crypto now, but patience will reward us in the future. Yeah, well, and that's why I sell covered calls. So I'm glad I sold those covered calls, for 75K. Those should expire worthless. I mean, I'm hoping it goes back up to 75K in a month, but realistically speaking, probably not going to happen. So yeah, that's why I sell covered calls. So I really don't care. Well, I do care. I don't want it to go down this low. But it looks like I'm going to collect some fat premiums. So yeah, nasty stuff. Well, all things considered, it was at 50K, a couple months ago, so it's really not too bad. But yeah, it just hurts right now. I have cash ready when Dogecoin hit under 1 cent. Go big, go under 1 cent. Please no, please no. That would really, really hurt. Hell no. No. I do not want that to happen. And that's probably not going to happen, but I would lose a lot of money if this went to 1 cent. Anyway. All right, guys. So, yeah, thank you guys for sticking around for so long. It's been 2 hours, 5 minutes already. So, yeah, this is a long show today. We got through a lot of content. Boring part is over. So let's get to the fun stuff. I'm not sure how many people are still here. But, yep, let's end the show on a good note here. Let's get to the Yolos. And we got a lot of fun Yolos today. We got NVIDIA YOLO, Alibaba YOLO, Rivian YOLO, Tesla YOLO, and Macy's YOLO. So a whole bunch of different YOLOs. A lot of lost corn with a P. Let's do it. So this first one is by Bob the Builder 24. Good enough to F your Mother Earth. Nice. They say NVIDIA lost corn with a P. And we got a rainbow bear. Yeah, so he tried to rainbow bear here. Didn't work. We have 100 puts for NVIDIA expiring tomorrow, November 19th, at the 295 strike. So this was a $116,000 YOLO. Actually, no, my bad. This was a 68K YOLO, $68,000 YOLO. And right now he's down $62,000. Which is, I'm not sure what percentage that is, but almost everything. All right, NVIDIA, was that at 3 something? 318, we'll just call it here. So, I mean, honestly, I can see why he did it. Not sure when they were purchased, but I like the strike, not loving the expiration. So this wasn't FD. I think this was an earnings play. It seems like it. But yeah, good strike, bad expiration, and bad timing. So honestly, it's not the worst play. I understand why he did it. It just didn't work here. And down a lot of money because of it. So yeah, we got 1 day to go. Needs to go down about $20. I mean, it's possible, but not very likely. So, yeah, I mean, this is already really bad. And at this point, I guess you just got to cut it tomorrow. Still got almost 6K in value here. $5,750. And, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. To most people, that is a lot of money. And if you don't cut it here, it's probably going to go to 0 tomorrow. So, yeah, this sucks. But I think you just got to cut this right here. Most of your money's gone, but you can save a little bit of face here. You can save 6K if you just cut it. really the only play you can do. I really wouldn't hold this through tomorrow. There's a chance, but at this point, just cut it. Save face. This sucks. So Bob the Builder 24, thanks for posting. Great content, very entertaining. But sorry for your loss, dude. This is absolutely disgusting. As for the play itself, it's honestly not a bad play. Not the best, but I see the logic in it. The chart did look pretty bearish, and just keeps on going up. So, yeah, it wasn't a bad play. Just didn't work out here. And at this point, you still got 6K, almost 6K in value. 1 day to go. I would probably just cut everything here. Save yourself 6K. And move on. Because if you don't cut it here, probably going to zero. So, save 6K, better than nothing. But yeah, dude. Disgusting. Sorry for your loss. But thanks for posting. Great content. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Take a look at ticker TIPS on OTC after Yolos. Alright, sure, dude. Here is poor Dogecoin related with us. Alright, dude, we'll get to that after the Yolos. Comes another siren. This is crazy. Well, now I can talk over it, because this isn't going to go in the video. But this is absolutely ridiculous. I don't know what the hell's going on today. It's like literally the worst day for the sirens. They come in like every 5 minutes. This is ridiculous. Alright, this one is by Pi Quantum. So this is an update from yesterday. If you guys recall, I reviewed this guy yesterday. I said, probably going to go really bad, and yeah, I was right. So, he says, disowned by Jack Ma. Butt penetrated without lube by Winnie the Pooh. He's referring to Xi Jinping. Winnie the Pooh. Chinese president. Guess I'll go back to honest grind behind Wendy's for a while to get some tendies. Oh boy. Alright. Well, I give him the guh. Oh, cut that short. And I give him the Wendy's. Yep. I called it, guys. I knew this wasn't gonna work. So yeah. The play is 300 calls for Alibaba, 180 strike expiring tomorrow, November 19th. So yep, this was a what? This was a 10.5K YOLO, $10,500 YOLO. Right now he's down $10,200, down 97%. You like the rhyme? What rhyme? Lube and poo? Yep, so I knew this wasn't going to work, but it's great content. And at this point, he still has $300. Just cut it, dude. I mean, whatever. At this point, I guess it doesn't really matter, but yeah, that's $300. That's still a lot of money. I don't know. Cash it out. Take your $300. Go treat yourself to some I don't know, some nice dinner. Nice steak dinner. Hookers, I don't know. Something to make yourself feel better. Cocaine, I don't know. Just take your $300. Go blow it on something to make you feel better. Because this really sucks. But yeah, the play itself, I don't really like it. It was an earnings play. Highly unlikely it would have worked. So yeah, I said that yesterday. I don't like the play, and it didn't work. Totally expected. Bad strike, bad expiration, bad timing. All around, bad play. But it was an earnings play. And yeah, this is what happens typically when you YOLO on earnings. So, Pi Quantum, thanks for posting. Thanks for the update, dude. Really appreciate it. Great content. Your sacrifice is greatly appreciated. in the name of content. So $10,000 well sacrificed for us, at least. Sorry for you. So yeah, sorry for your loss. But yeah, I could have told you this was gonna happen, dude. I called it yesterday. Bad play all around. And yeah, at this point, all you can really do is cut $300 and whatever, dude. Do something with it. So, great content. Thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss. And yeah, I hope you don't have to work for Wendy's for that long. But yeah, I hope you make your money back. And I'm sure I'll see you back here in the future. So, great stuff. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you in the future. Use $300 to YOLO on dog Elon bars. That's not a bad idea. Bob out at 200 tomorrow. You heard it here first. What you said I didn't hear. Take a loan from Upstart and double down. It can't go tits up twice, right? Well, you can just delete it. You can delete Robinhood or whatever this is. Baba call today, margin call tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Damn, bro, just think about how much hookers and blow you could have gotten with that. Yeah, exactly like I said. He could take that 300 and dump it into OG meta leap calls. And go without some style. And go with some style. OG meta leap. You mean Facebook? Or MMAT. Well, it ain't gonna do much. Sorry guys, just texting my friend back. We're going out to sushi. Make ourselves feel better for you know, the butt effing we took today. MMAT. Oh, okay. Well, you know what? That's a great way to chuck the rest of your $300. All right. Got it, low roller. We'll get to all of that. Got 3 more here. All right, this one's by M Boopy 25. They say, what do I do with these? Okay. So we got a Rivian put here. 1 Rivian put, 140 strike, expiring tomorrow, November 19th. So this was a... What the hell was it? This was a $500 YOLO. And right now he's up 1,750%. 350%. So $1,750, my bad. 350%. You got Six Flags near your house. If you get season pass Six Flags, you can get free food all the time. I did see something. Some guy did do that. I saw that. No, it's not that close. Closest one is like 2 hours away. 1.5 hours away. New Jersey. Great adventure. I love Six Flags, but you know what? I'd probably get fat as hell if I ate there all the time. So, no thanks. My cousin lives near there, like 10 minutes away. Okay. Rivian. So, yeah, I mean, it's in the money. Rivian's at 124, 1 day to go. What do you do with these? It's debatable. If you let it ride, you should be able to, this should go down even more tomorrow. The bubble has burst. But you never know. This stuff is absolutely nuts. This could go back up 140 tomorrow. So, I guess if you want to be safe, take the profits here. 350% is insane. Got to be happy with that. That's probably what I would do. Or if you want to be a true ape, I guess let it ride. No, don't let it ride. Cut the cost. If you're going to let it ride, cut the cost basis, then let it ride. Don't just straight up let it ride. But yeah, either cut it here, cut everything here, or cut the cost basis, let it ride. Just my opinion. He's probably just going to let everything ride, which probably is going to work anyway. But, yeah. Boopy25, thanks for posting. Great content. Not the most money in the world, but, you know, pretty impressive. Good strike. Not the best expiration, but good timing. So overall, pretty decent play, pretty good play. And yeah, you're up 350% right now. So at this point, like I said, you can either cut it all here, gotta be happy with 350%, or cut the cost basis and let it ride. So at least at that point, the worst that can happen is you break even. But I have a feeling he's just gonna ape this the whole way and just let it ride. Either way, great content. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Tell your cousin he can get free food in Six Flags. He save a lot of money and cut down grocery bills. Yeah, but you're gonna go to Six Flags every day just to eat. That's a lot, dude. I mean, that's a commitment. I did see the article about the guy who did do that. That's pretty smart. But it's not the healthiest food, and it's not a bad idea though, especially if you're poor. Are you a Six Flags connoisseur? Hey, I love me some Six Flags. I love thrill rides. Pretty funny though. All right. All right, this one is by Microsario 88. Gotta try to speed this up here because my friend's getting kind of tight. I told him 6:30. That's all right. This one is by Microsario 88. They say Tesla gains, bought the dip at 900, at 990, and put 200K on it. All right. So here we got 30 calls for Tesla. What strike is this? 1,000 strike. And expiring December 17th. So about 1 month out. So yeah, 200K YOLO. Right now he's up $194,000. 95%. Okay. So, good strike. Decent expiration. Not the best. I don't really like that, but good timing. So overall, pretty good play. And what's Tesla at now? All right, 1,100. Honestly, I just cut it here. Because there's a big gap at 910. So, you know, in 1 month, you never know what's going to happen. You just bought these 3 days ago, up about 100%. You got to be happy with that. 200K gain. What more do you want, dude? Like, if he lets these ride, that's probably the textbook definition of gambling right here. Just cut it, dude. Just cut everything. Like, I think that's the obvious play. It'd be different if the chart wasn't so bearish. But the chart looks bearish. Went full Chad mode here. Worked out. Up 100%. What more do you want, dude? Cut it. Secure the gains. Call it a day. So, yeah. Microsario88, thanks for posting. Congrats to you so far. Not over yet, but you're in a great position here. Pretty good play. I like the strike. Decent expiration. Good timing. And at this point, you're up 100%. About 200K. Tesla looks kind of bearish in my opinion. So, personally, I just cut everything here. I think that's the only play. Can't get too greedy, man. Got to be happy with this. But something tells me he's going to ape it and let it ride. But hey, no matter what, thanks for posting. Great content. Good luck to you in the future. Rooting for you. And please post updates. Want to see how this goes. With Elon dumping it, I would have went flat on Tesla a long time ago. I think he's done dumping, for now at least. Not sure. But, I mean, that was a great play by him. Alright, last one by Shoe Pickle. So this is an update from yesterday. Not really an update, but an extension from yesterday. This guy cashed in on Macy's yesterday, or TJ Maxx yesterday. He rolled it to Macy's today. And why can't I get results like this? Why can't I just ape like this and get results? Anyway, he says TJ Maxx to Macy's earnings was the move. Sold on jump to over 35.50. Okay. So yeah, here we have 300 calls for Macy's. We got Super FDs expiring tomorrow. 30 calls or 50 calls for the 31 strike. And then we have 250 calls for the December 17th strike, or expiration, my bad. $31 strike, 50 calls for the $31 strike, November 19th expiration, and then 250 calls, this December 17th expiration, $32 strike. So this was a, how to math here. This was a, 51, 15. This was about a 67K YOLO. No. Yeah, 67K YOLO. And right now he's up $51,000, 81%. So the play itself, very risky stuff. I don't really encourage you guys to do this, but this guy, he's either extremely skilled at this or just extremely lucky. But yeah, cashed out a bunch of money yesterday on TJ Maxx. Now it's Macy's, and he cashed out again. This is incredible. Very jealous. Why can't I do this? These results are not typical, guys. Don't attempt this at home. Not financial advice. But he says he's sold. So I guess it's over. He cashed out. So, yeah, at this point, congrats, dude. Super ape mode. Super Chad / ape / degenerate / what the hell mode. Amazing. That's all I gotta say. Absolutely amazing. 2 earnings plays in a row, and he hit them both. So it's kind of like a parlay in sports betting, you know? Hit a big one, then he hit another big one. So, yeah, I guess the play itself, good strikes, not the best expirations, but well-timed, so good plays. But this is incredible. Got lucky yesterday. Well, this is like a lot of skill and a lot of luck, I would say. This guy definitely seems to be a veteran at this, I will say. This is not just total luck. This does seem to be like a lot of skill involved here. I'll give him that. But there definitely is a lot of luck involved, too. But, yeah. Walks away. What? 6-figure gain in 2 days? That's insane, dude. And he cut. So, he's not a super ape. Well, he is, but he cut. You know, he's smart. He cut. Secured the gains. And, yeah. Full Chad mode. Congrats, dude. So, thanks for posting. Shoe Pickle. Congrats to you. Great content. Really great content. You are absolutely insane, but hey, it worked out. So, props to you. And yeah, man. Looking to hear from you in the future. I'm sure we will. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's all the YOLOs. Sorry, Low Roller. I'd like to go over your stuff, but I gotta go. But I'll look at TIPS for Marvin, and let's get out of here. You can link him tomorrow. We can go over that, but yeah, you know, show is running a little long today. Didn't think it would go this long. Had a lot of stuff to go through. So we'll look at this, and we'll get out of here. Apologize to you, Low Roller, but yeah, I gotta go. So I'll do the TA for crypto.com and Gala for you tonight, and tomorrow we can go over all of that and the Yolos if you want. All right, TIPS. This one's a little hard to read. I'm gonna be honest, dude. This might be a cup and handle at 9. So maybe a 10% upside here. RSI is 59. I'm not really loving this, dude. And this is just my opinion, not financial advice. But yeah, I would say maybe 10 to 20% upside here. But this is pretty risky to me. So I'm not exactly loving this. Not exactly loving this here, but you might be able to make 10 to 20%. But this is kind of risky. Oops, what did I just do? But this is kind of risky in my opinion. Personally, I just stay away from this one. This is not as good as the other ones. You know, you asked me to look at the past few days. So if you are in it, I would say if it hits 90 or if it hits 9 or 1, I would sell. And if you're not in here, I just avoid it right now. Could have had this at 2. Damn. Yeah, well, you know, missed opportunity. But yeah, I would say if you're in it, look to sell pretty soon. And if you're not in it, avoid it. All right, guys, that is the show for today. So really appreciate you guys for joining me today. A lot of people in here. Went through a lot of stuff. So, yeah, covered a lot of stuff. That was a great show, but I talked a lot. And hope you guys enjoyed. Hope I didn't bore you guys too much. And sorry I had to cut the show short today. But, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. So I'll make up for you guys tomorrow. Yep, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.